And a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. The cryptocurrency market experienced a sharp decline during the evening of last Friday. Bitcoin fell Friday to its lowest price in nearly a month, reaching lows of $65,005 before slightly rebounding. The price of Bitcoin currently sits at $66,571 per data from CoinMarketCap, up 0.4% on the day, while the current market performance remains mixed with a handful of cryptocurrencies posting losses on the 24-hour time frame. The weekly scale is quite painful for most crypto assets as BNB and NIR have dropped by double digits. UNI and TON are among the few exceptions. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, was changing hands at $3,596 with barely any movement in similar time frame. Amid ongoing selling pressures in the Ethereum market, prominent investors are seizing the opportunity to accumulate ETH in anticipation of the next bull market phase. According to data from Sentiment, ETH whales have purchased over 700,000 tokens in the last 3 weeks, amounting to a substantial $2.45 billion influx into the Ethereum market despite the current downturn. Interestingly, Bitcoin advocate and MicroStrategy chairman Michael Saylor has shared a bullish prediction of $8 million per coin based on the long-term value of the digital asset. He reiterates that despite recent poor performance, Bitcoin's future remains bright with the potential to replace the traditional monetary system. Meanwhile, the Joe Biden administration is set to participate in a Bitcoin and blockchain roundtable in Washington, D.C. in early July, alongside key congressional officials of the United States. The move is seen as a response to former President Donald Trump's recent endorsement of the Bitcoin industry, including his acceptance of Bitcoin Lightning payments for campaign donations. The global crypto market cap is $2.44 trillion, a 0.89% increase over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $40.35 billion, which makes a 23.13% decrease. The total volume in DeFi is currently $3.6 billion, 8.91% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is now $36.3 billion, which is 89.96% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 53.88%, a decrease of 0.08% over the day. Bitcoin's NFT market saw a 26% increase in sales volumes last week, reaching $43 million, outperforming Ethereum's 17% rise to $40 million. This growth indicates a broader adoption and evolving utility for Bitcoin beyond its traditional store of value proposition. In the past 2 weeks, Bitcoin's total NFT sales surged to $77.02 million, while Ethereum lagged slightly behind with $71 million. This growth trajectory highlights a shifting landscape where Bitcoin is starting to rival Ethereum in the rapidly evolving NFT space. Despite a broader decline in the cryptocurrency market, the NFT market capitalization dropped by 4%, impacting trading volumes and NFT market capitalization. Major NFT collections such as Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunk NFTs have experienced significant valuation adjustments, with BAYC's floor price declining by 25% and CryptoPunk's floor price plummeting to 27.42 ETH. Bitcoin mining costs have increased after a recent halving, with the number of BTC mined every 10 minutes dropping to 3.125. Bitcoin miners are attempting to use new technologies to reduce costs, but there are concerns that many miners may be forced to shut down due to the high cost. Crypto analyst Ali Martinez stated that the average cost of mining Bitcoin is currently at $86,668, as BTC is currently at $66,245. The upcoming period for BTC miners could lead to losses and bankruptcy. Martinez also noted that Bitcoin prices tend to stay above mining costs, suggesting that Bitcoin prices are likely to exceed $86,668 in the upcoming periods. Despite Bitcoin trading below this level, there significantly are two factors affecting the market: the launch of spot Ethereum ETFs and the Fed's interest rate cut. Eric Balchunas suggested that spot Ethereum ETFs could be launched on July 2, 2024, while expectations for September's interest rate cuts increase investor sentiment to price increases. AllianceBernstein, a Nashville-based global asset management firm, predicts Bitcoin's value to reach $1 billion by 2033, with a projected value of $500,000 by 2029 and a double in value over the next 4 years. The firm also highlights the role of Bitcoin ETFs in market growth, with estimates suggesting they could account for up to 15% of Bitcoin's total supply within the next decade. MicroStrategy, a business intelligence firm with substantial Bitcoin holdings, is expected to see a bullish price target of $2,890. The firm's aggressive accumulation of Bitcoin, facilitated through long-term convertible debt, distinguishes it from passive investment vehicles like spot ETFs. The firm's bullish outlook on MicroStrategy also highlights the potential benefits of an aggressive Bitcoin acquisition strategy. Binance Thailand is hosting a special event titled LUNC, From Collapse to Resurrection, to engage the cryptocurrency community, especially those affected by the Terra Luna crisis. CEO Changpeng Zhao supports LUNC and the exchange's commitment to revitalizing tokens post-crisis. The event invites affected community members to share their experiences and discuss their hopes for LUNC's future. LUNC and USDC are aiming for $1, with development teams, validators, and community members working to push the price towards the $1 mark. A key proposal involves implementing tax to gas, streamlining tax deductions, and increasing the token's utility and attractiveness. LUNC prices have seen a 0.21% increase in the last 24 hours, while USDC has seen a 0.5% increase. The Australian Securities Exchange is set to launch its first exchange-traded fund directly investing in Bitcoin on June 20th. The VanEck Bitcoin ETF will be the first spot ETF to debut on Australia's primary stock market, allowing investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin through a regulated, transparent, and well-established investment vehicle. The launch is expected to attract substantial capital inflows from the country's pension fund market as investors seek to diversify portfolios with exposure to digital assets. The listing of Bitcoin ETFs is gaining momentum globally, with jurisdictions like Hong Kong and Australia showing interest in adopting similar products. The approval of the VanEck Bitcoin ETF aligns with proposed legislation from Australia's ruling party to regulate crypto custody, decentralized autonomous organizations, crypto taxation, and licensing of digital asset service providers. Binance's former CEO, CZ, holds a significant stake in 94 million BNB tokens, equivalent to 64% of the total. This is due to the initial distribution of 18 million BNB to Binance's foundation members, leaving 46 million in the company's reserves. Collectively, CZ and Binance hold 71% of the available BNB tokens, indicating substantial economic power and influence over BNB's market trajectory. Despite recent legal issues, the risk of large-scale liquidation is mitigated. However, this level of centralized control raises concerns about market manipulation and BNB's stability. Despite these concerns, BNB's market price remains stable, trading at $607.33. Social engagement has been high, particularly post-CZ report, with positive responses dominating social channels. Investors must recognize the inherent risk associated with centralized oversight, as a reserve security compromise or stringent regulatory actions could rapidly depreciate BNB's value, highlighting the precarious nature of heavily centralized cryptocurrencies. The SEC and Ripple Labs are facing a legal battle over XRP sales as unregistered securities. A legal document shared by defense lawyer James Phelan has revealed a prediction in the SEC's proposed settlement amount for Ripple. The initial proposal was $2 billion, but the new filing proposes a $102.6 million settlement. Ripple argued that the original $2 billion penalty was unreasonable. The SEC rejected Ripple's comparison, stating it was irrelevant to their case. The SEC clarified that Terraform Labs received a lower penalty due to extenuating circumstances, including bankruptcy status, ceasing of operations, and token burning. The SEC believes that $102.6 million settlement is necessary to deter future misconduct in the cryptocurrency industry. The settlement is a significant step in the ongoing legal battle between the two parties. Google Trends data shows a consistent increase in search interest for central bank digital currencies over the past 5 years. The term has maintained a score above 20 since August 2022, with South Korea and Jamaica being the top regions for CBDC searches. The term reached a top score of 100 between March 19 to 25, 2023 and 79 on May 23, 2024. The most popular regions for CBDC searches over 5 years are South Korea, Jamaica, Hong Kong, Singapore and China. As of March 2024, over 130 countries were researching CBDCs, with 3 countries launching and 36 conducting pilot programs. This growing interest in CBDCs signifies a significant move towards integrating digital currencies into global economies, reflecting increased public curiosity and a stronger commitment from policymakers to explore and potentially adopt these types of digital currencies. Floor has risen to the top position in development activity among NFT-related crypto projects, according to Sentiment Analytics. The Layer 1 permissionless blockchain recorded 190.77 notable GitHub events over the last month, outpacing decentralized 144.9 events. High development activity is crucial for a project's potential and confidence developers have in its future. Sentiment's methodology, which excludes routine updates and applies a backtested process, suggests that substantial development work can indicate a project's robustness and lower the risk of exit scams. Metaplex, a decentralized NFT platform built on Solana, secured the 3rd position with 23.07 GitHub events, while Axie Infinity ranked 4th with 17.97 notable events. Recent plans drop in the ranking is noteworthy as it now trails behind Multiverse X, a distributed proof-of-stake blockchain network operated by over 3,000 nodes. That's all in this bulletin for now. This is Miyuchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.0 and for more information stories log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.